enjoy our Get to Know the Greeks presentation. The first group of people we'd like to introduce you to are the Greek gods. The ancient Greeks looked to the gods for everything, including speed, strength, and beauty. The first god we'd like to introduce you to is the Dark Lord of the Underworld, Hades.
I am Hades, Lord of the Dead and older brother of Zeus. My Latin names are Climbus, which means notorious, Eubulus, which means well guessing, and Polydegnon, which means one who receives many. Bet you didn't know that, did you? My most famous. There are this. Come on. The narcissus, which is a flower, though I shall learn about later, and the cypress, which is the evergreen tree, are sacred to me. I'll start how I got my kingdom. When Cronus, my father, was overthrown, my brothers Zeus and Poseidon and me split his kingdom into thirds and cast votes to see about what. Zeus, when first we chose the skies and riches, leave me with the underworld. With it, I got all the riches of the underworld, and I sit on a throne made of ebony, hold a scepter, and have a helmet given to me by the Cyclops that can make me invisible. There are 5 rivers that serve as the boundary line of my kingdom. Their names are the Acheron, the Kokotos, the Lethe, the Phlegathon, and the Styx. When mortals pray to me, they just bang their hands on the ground. And when they sacrifice to me, they sacrifice black sheep and let them blood bleed from the ears. One of my most famous tales is of my abduction of Persephone, Demeter's daughter, who is a god.
The Greek god of fire and the forest. I am mostly worshipped in Athens, but also in other manufacturing centers where they have blacksmithing. Disgusted by the sight of me, Hera threw me out of Olympia, and I fell for one day and one night before landing at sea. There, nymphs rescued me and took me to the island of Lemnos. The people there cared for me and trained me in the art of blacksmithing. To gain revenge on Hera, I made a magic throne that was presented to her on Mount Olympus, and she sat in it entrapped her, making her my prisoner. The other gods begged for me to let her go, but I refused. Dionysus, the wine god, gave me wine, and when I passed out, he threw me over his donkey and took me off to Mount Olympus. I let Hera go after being given Aphrodite as my bride. But Aphrodite loved someone else. To catch her, I forged a chain net so fine and so strong no one could escape. Then one day I surprised Aphrodite and Ares, the war god, by throwing the net over them and hauling them to the other gods. I asked the gods for just retribution, but the other gods did something else. They roared with laughter at the lovers after they let them go. I also took place in many other important events. For instance, one time, Gaia told Zeus that Medes would bear a daughter his son would overthrow. To prevent that, Zeus swallowed Medes and was going to have the baby himself. In order to have the baby, I had to get my axe and slice his head open. And out came Athena.
Next we have Athena, the goddess of wisdom.
That joke, my king would say, that I knew we have a wish. That weekend, I have to admit it first was together. And when I saw what it was, that was the end. It was my father Zeus in disguise of a bull, and madly in love with
Next group of people we'd like to introduce you to are the Greek philosophers. The Greek philosophers actually had many pupils. The first philosopher we'd like to introduce you to is a brilliant man named Socrates.
Hello, my name is Socrates, one of many great Greek philosophers. I was born in Athens in 469 BC. My father was a stone carver, and so was I, but not a very good one, for the trade is very tough for me. The Peloponnesian War began in 431 BC. I was 28 years old when I became a soldier to fight for Athens. When I entered my 40s, I had urged to think about the world around me and try to answer hard questions like what is wisdom or what is beauty. One of my harder questions was what was the right thing to do. After long hours of pondering these questions, I figured I needed help. I went out to ask the local populace. But I had a problem. Sometimes people would say they were busy and walk away, or they'd try to answer my questions. And I'd ask them other questions to show them that their logic was false. And they would sometimes get angry at me and try and harm me. But soon I had a group of young men who would listen to me. One of these young men, my star pupil, Plato, would also become a great Greek philosopher. Although my students enjoyed the way I taught them, the council did not. For you see, I taught them to ask questions and seek the truth. And if the people of Athens asked questions, it could result in a riot which could be devastating to Athens. So the council gave me two choices: to forget how I taught and to leave my beloved Athens forever, or to drink a cup of hemlock, a poisonous plant. I stood firm in my principles and chose to drink a cup of hemlock. Stop it, please.
Next we have Plato, Socrates' star pupil.
I am Plato, a great and famous Greek philosopher. I was born in 427 BC. I was a student of Socrates, another famous Greek philosopher. He believed in asking questions, but not I. I believe it is important to write everything down to memorize what I learned. I went to Egypt in sorrow when Socrates stood for what he believed in and was killed by poison. There I learned and studied with other pupils of Socrates on Pythagoras and the geometrical diagrams he created. After, I returned to Athens and founded the Academy. My main contributions were in math and science. I contributed to logical and legal philosophy, including rhetoric, which is the technique of using language effectively, mostly in public speaking. Although I didn't make any major discoveries in math, I believe math provides the finest training for the mind, which made a big step for math and history. My personal philosophy of science is the planets, stars, sun, and moon all move around Earth in crystalline spheres. The moon was closest to the Earth, then the sphere of the sun, then Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and so on. Then furthest away was the sphere of the stars, and I believe that the moon shines by reflected sunlight. My star pupil is Aristotle. Aristotle was a good and smart student, but then had to stop coming to the academy because of the law created from the early rule of Byzantine Emperor Justinian I. I stopped teaching my philosophy and started quoting dialogues. Many of my famous dialogues are known as the Apology, the Law, the Meno, and many, many more. Neoplatonism was created and is based on my theory of forms. Plotinus and his followers founded Neoplatonism. I died in 347 BC. Many scholars consider me as the greatest prose writer in the Greek language and one of the greatest in any language. So whatever you accumulate to your brain, try and write it down to remember what you learned.
Next we have Aristotle, the tutor of Alexander the Great.
Hello, my name is Aristotle. I am a Greek philosopher. I was born in 384 BC in Staphylida. When I was 18 years old, I entered Plato's school. Plato taught me many things like the geometric soup, and I became one of Plato's many pupils. My name is Plato.
Exit opposite of Alice Hermes. I'm Yellow, Nine, Alice Artemis.
I'm Vivek McFadden, I was at Atlanta.
I'm Jessica Bain, and I was X.
I'm Alex Jacobs, and I was Medusa.
I'm Jalili, and I was Perseus.
I'm Mason Wiley, and I was Socrates.
My name is Christopher Kaufman, and I was Plato.
My name is Ryan Smith, and I was Aristotle.
My name is Corey Porter, and I was Alexander the Great.
My name is Isabella Suarez, and I was the Athenian husband.
Christopher Mary, and I was a Greek soldier.
Special thanks to our artist and sound effect,
Matthew Betts, Diviners, and sound effects.
and I was Alex McMeekin, and I was Master of Ceremonies.
I'm coming.
Oh,
Let's go find some eggs.
Come on, egg.
Find it. Let's go find eggs. Egg.
Christina, hold her let her hold the basket so she can Daddy's take it too.
Wash your hands.
No.
Wash your hands.
Yeah.
No? Wash your hands? No, okay, no washing. No washing hands.
You found one, Michael. Wow, wow.
Christina,
Christina, what you
do you find any? Christina, did you get Daddy a wine? You get Daddy a wine? No, do you want to get Daddy a wine? Get Daddy a wine.
Wow.
No, wait, it's Christina's. It's Christina.
No.
No, Michael. You
Right.
Oh, it's yours?
Okay.
Okay.
He found it.
I trade you.
Christina, you find some more?
Okay, come on. Michael,
You
let's go
find
find
some more?
Oh, come on now. Okay.
Let's go
Alright.
outside. Michael, you drop one. Drop one, Michael. Let's go outside. You gotta get your shoes on. You gotta get your shoes on. You put one outside.
Sit down.
Michael, get Daddy his shoes. You gotta get Daddy his shoes.
Yeah. Michael, can you
Daddy
give
wants
me
to go
my shoes?
outside. Can you give Daddy his shoes?
Can you put them down?
Ow! Yeah, give Daddy his shoes.
Hey! What was that, Michael? Look.
What's that? What's that? It's a bug. Look at the bug. What's that? An egg. A bug in there. A bug. I see a bug.
Oh, he's a fine now.
I think I saw a bug. I don't think.
Any more?
Give your word for it.
No bug.
Oh, bug?
Guess there's no bug. Come on.
Come on.
Christina, it's snowy. It's snowy.
A bug.
Get your boots
Is
on.
that a bug, Michael?
Boots? No boots.
Is there a bug down there? Oh, wow.
Do you got one?
Wow.
Oh, Michael thought there was one in here.
And he's,
Uh-oh. No boots there, Michael. I think we're done down here. I'm pretty sure I
We're
didn't.
done? Is that everything?
Yeah, I think so. Nope. Let's go upstairs. I think we're close to being done. Come on. Michael, let's go see.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be there later.
No, okay.
Take your shoes off?
I'll be there later.
Take your shoes off, Christina?
Oh, my neck.
Take your shoes off?
My neck.
I love you.
My aching.
My Christina?
No, mama.
Mommy? My Christina?
No, mama.
My mama? My Christina? Huh. Christina, what's in there?
What's in there? So there's 17 eggs?
Open it,
19 eggs?
Christina. Candy in
I
here?
don't remember.
Help her, that's hard to open.
Okay, let's see.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, got 10.
Let her open it. Let her open it. Open it, Christina.
How many of people?
Candy?
I'm gonna open mine.
Candy? Candy in there?
Did you have
Michael. Michael. Is that candy?
This is my candy. Huh?
Hmm? Ums?
Too much candy?
That's a lot of candy.
How are you getting so long?
Christina can open it. I saw her open hers. Help Bubba. Christina, open for Bubba. Open for Bubba.
Eric, there's a line on there.
Okay, never mind.
There's an easy rip line. Where?
It's not easy to find the easy rip line.
Oh my gosh, there's stickers.
No, Mom. Daddy.
Sticker.
Come
That's a lot
on,
of
You
Chris.
mean SpongeBob didn't have any candy? It was just stickers?
Oh, there's some
Yeah.
sour candy.
Where's the line, Chris?
Help me?
Oh, okay. I thought you did.
You can do it, right? You can.
No problem. Christine has no problem opening.
Wie heißt du?
Fabian.
Fabian? Ein riesengroßer Applaus für Fabian! Sagt sie. Was für Mariella! So, weiter geht's. Ein bisschen zusammen, weiter zusammen. Komm mal her.
The upstairs. Come on, Michael. You doing? Want to say hi, Michael?
Hi.
Hi. This is the outside, looking up on the hill. We look down the courtway. Here. There's the oil station, right? Let's see. Mommy's back at the house. Mommy back at the house. Mommy back at the house, okay? There's Christopher. Just look in here. Michael, wait.
Going hard. He's going to every again.
Come on. Chris. Can you do this while I'm Let's record.
I can't find it.
Okay, clap your hands. Okay, anime lecture. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands and bend your knees. With the music. Right, what we're gonna do now. Now you really got the hang of this. We're gonna try it one more time, but a little bit faster. Okay? That's schnellig. Now very fast. Sleep. Wait. It's a ride. Sleep. Walk. Swim. Skate. Spray. Nocturne. Blow your horn. Ring the bell. Okay. Okay. Kiss. Comb your hair. Wait. Give them away. Superman. Bravo! So. Und bevor wir natürlich anfangen mit unserem Mini-Disco-Spiel, suchen wir unsere Mini-Disco-Schatz. We are looking for our Mini-Disco treasure. Yeah, somewhere in the tables or on the chairs are hiding the Mini-Disco treasure. Irgendwo an den Stühlen oder an den Tischen ist der Mini-Disco-Schatz versteckt. Ja, wo sieht denn das Singers Oilers mit?
What are you doing, Michael?
Ja, ich erkläre das Spiel so.
Michael, what are you doing? What are you doing?
So, wir spielen das so ein Spiel. Das heißt, wer den Hut in der Hand.
What are you doing, Michael? What are you doing, Christina? Let me see. No. No. Michael, not you. Show me, Michael. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Look at you. Oh my goodness, Mike. You too, Christina? You got a beard? Oh my goodness. Christina, let me see you. Let me see you, Michael. Michael. No, Michael. Hey, wait a minute here, guys. What are you guys doing here? No more. No, no, Michael. No. No, Michael. East. East. No more. No more. You guys go do it in the water. Do it in the water. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? No more water. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Christina, you look like... Oh no, no, Christina. Oh no. No. Michael, no. Christina, no. What are you doing, Christina? Michael, what are you doing?
No.
No, Christina. Michael, what are you doing? What are you doing, Christina? Come on. Taping Chris. I love you. Eric. I love you, Chris. Get off of the World of Warcraft.
I will.
It's only 10 minutes after God knows what. Really. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Christopher Michael. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles.
Well, don't have to brush it now.
Now blow. Blow.
All right.
Blow it. Blow it.
Wait. I'm gonna bring it to you, Christina. I'm gonna bring it to you.
More.
Oh, one more. Good job, Michael. Heart.
Christina.
You wanted to help her. Right. Nathaniel Miller.
The President's Education Award. I join your family and friends in applauding you as you are recognized for your achievements. One of our nation's top priorities is to ensure that all Americans have the knowledge and skills that they need to compete and succeed in the 21st century. By working hard in school, you have taken an important step toward building a better future and realizing your full potential. The lessons and values you learn now will guide you throughout your life and help you to become an active and responsible citizen. I commend you for your success. I also encourage you to continue studying, making healthy choices, and helping your neighbors in need. By setting high standards and working hard, you can achieve your dreams. Your energy, hope, and idealism can help. Our best wishes.